So we're revisiting Robbins Hill Road as it sits borderline in a drought. So my last video through here, I think, was when it was really muddy. Might have done another one, I'm not sure. It's the quickest way. Too late, we're here. There is a road right on the other side of this four-wheeler. Pretty grown in. Cruising. Dusty up there. Where they've been, I think they're done logging up here actually. I want to say last time I came through, I think it was off camera. I think all the equipment was gone. If they were ever going to build this road, now would probably be the time. It's the most passable it's been since I discovered it years back. Was a lot of fun. If you haven't seen my, I think it was the first video of this road on my channel, it was pretty muddy. Some of the best mudding I think I've done on camera. As the skidder was down in here, just mixing it all up all day long. And it wasn't arid like it is right now. They've been done logging up here for a minute. Looking off to the sides here, it's starting to grow back in already. Good water. Oh, that is very stale water. Sorry, kid. You're alright. You're alright. Feels good, it's refreshing. It's 82 degrees. That's fine. You're alright. You ready to go get a donut? Eat your donut, make up for it.